Hey guys, this is Cody here with
Jeff.
he's picking up on my. We're here to discuss the no. It's already screwed up.
December. Gotta recoup.
Hey guys, it is Cody here with
Jeff.
to discuss our December sale we have going on this month, year 2020. Start with the apparel. So we have two things going on this month. We have our 12 days of December Facebook giveaway. Check out our Facebook page. Like, comment, share, win stuff. Good times. And during that 12 days, so this ends on December 12th, we have 10% off on our online merchandise stores. You have to use a checkout code, which is 12 days 10. I will put that magically somewhere up here. Again, ends December 12th. If you guys are ordering something for your special someone for this holiday season, you should get on it. Shipping is kind of like the Wild Wild West. It's kind of crazy right now. You may get it, you may not. So if you're ordering something, order it now or before the 12th would be great. Use the code, get more. And what do we have for our product?
For the month of December, what we've got, guys, as you all know, we've got a cast iron and small block compatible block. Of course, the small block comes with a 4-inch bore or a 4-125 bore. Also, it comes with a 350 or a 400 main. On our big block Chevrolet compatible blocks, we have a 10200 or a 9800. Both of them come with standard cam bearings, size, standard cam location. They come with your option of a 4600 or a 4500 bore. So what we're doing this month is we're giving away, if you buy a cast iron big block or small block, what we'll do is we'll throw on a cam kit, or a block kit as we call it. What it comes with, guys and gals, it comes with our coated cam bearings, comes with our dowel pins, comes with restrictors. This is a small block restrictor, restricts the oil, has the passenger and the driver's side marked on the restrictor, comes with our freeze plugs, all of the pipe plugs are necessary, all the dowel pins, head, timing cover, oil pump, all those dowel pins are included. It's a great value, and we're going to throw that in when you purchase a big block or small block compatible cast iron block during the month of December. It's available through our dealers. It's available direct. However you want to spend it, we've got it. And along with the apparel, I guess that's what we got for December.
That's what we got for December. See you guys.
Thank you. How was that?
Good.